Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich with Kuboos. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, Kuboos, and your favorite seasonings. Next, whisk 2 or 3 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Then, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, adding about 1 teaspoon of oil to coat the surface evenly. This ensures your eggs cook perfectly. Once your pan is hot, pour in the whisked eggs. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are mostly set. You can gently fold the egg into a soft omelet or scramble it lightly, depending on your preference. While the egg finishes cooking, warm 1 Kuboos bread on a separate dry pan or in a toaster for about 30 seconds until it's soft and pliable. Now for the assembly. Take your warmed Kuboos and spread a thin layer of your favorite sauce inside. A spicy mayo or hummus works wonderfully. Carefully place the perfectly cooked egg inside the Kuboos, ensuring it fits snugly. For an extra touch, add some fresh vegetables like thinly sliced tomatoes, crisp lettuce, or a few cucumber slices. This adds a refreshing crunch. Finally, fold or roll your Kuboos to secure all the delicious fillings inside. This creates a convenient and satisfying handheld meal. Serve your homemade egg sandwich immediately while it's warm for the best taste and texture. It's a quick, easy, and incredibly flavorful meal. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.